So the harsh and sad reality about this post is that when people find out that I was a teacher, they ask me why I don't teach anymore. And the truth is, I used to teach middle school, and the textbooks are so old as far as information and not updated. And when I would teach from the textbook, my students used to call it out. And I don't like to lie. So we had a discussion on why this is not true. And my students were very woke on their own. So when you're dealing with this generation of kids that has access to technology, reading, books, everything online, and then you have a textbook that contradicts the truth, it's kind of hard to teach. It's very hard to teach. So that's why I'm not in the classroom anymore. Hell, I got tired of them saying, this is cap. This is cap. And I'd be like, well, you know what? You right. So let's talk about it. This is why I'm not in the classroom. Because we can study all these other histories. But when it comes to African American studies, it's the problem. Okay. But that's the real tea why I'm not in the classroom. Because it's like, unless we need to talk to Hill, McGriff Hall, these textbook companies, and we need to have a discussion on what's being put in the textbooks. We really do. We really do. Because I'm a history major, so I study all of these histories. And the only history that is being left behind or not recognized or not having the proper storytelling is African American history, African history, history of people with dark skin, with melanin. That's what's missing.